Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this GTI tutorial, we are recreating a look inspired by Stargirl, soft, sparkly, and totally unforgettable. So, if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you through this video. So first, as for the hair, I only use this curly hair. And let's just start making the outfit. So in here I'm going to just go to the women's sections and put on this one shoulder top, toggle it into full length and change the color to the starry patterns, this one. And I'm going to combine it with this corsety and I'm going to toggle it into dress and change the color using the starry patterns like this. So for the accent, I'm going to just go with black, or you can also use the patterns if you can. Here I'm going to put on this stockings and change the color using these patterns. Make it the same like your skin tone, so it will look like tattoo. And also I'm going to put on this one on the arms and use the fishnet pattern. Okay, for the shoe, I'm going to wear this shoe in here, this long boots, and change the color into all blacks. And now you can just complete the look with some more accessory. First, I'm going to just put on this necklace and toggle it into number 2. Change the color into all black. And now I'm going to also put on necklace from the code items. So here I'm going to put on this one and also the eyelashes. And just like that, now the Stargirl look is done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.